Is your rooftop unit failing to start or showing ignition problems? Hearing humming sounds, delayed startup, or sudden system shutdowns? A faulty inducer assembly could be preventing proper system operation. Welcome to PartsHnC. The inducer assembly is responsible for creating proper airflow during the startup sequence of the RTU. It removes combustion gases from the heat exchanger and ensures safe draft conditions before ignition. If this component fails, the system may lock out or refuse to start as a safety measure. When the inducer assembly is not functioning correctly, symptoms may include ignition failure, pressure switch errors, weak airflow, unusual noise, delayed startup, or repeated shutdown cycles. The inducer blower is located inside the burner compartment of the rooftop unit, mounted near the heat exchanger and connected to the exhaust venting system. It operates during the pre-ignition safety check before burner ignition is allowed. Before performing any inspection, disconnect the main power to the unit. If gas is connected, ensure proper safety procedures are followed. Always wait for all moving parts to stop completely before accessing internal components. First, inspect the inducer assembly for dust buildup, debris, or visible damage. Check vent connections for blockage or disconnection. Next, observe the startup operation. If the motor does not run, check electrical supply, wiring, control board, or capacitor issues. If the motor runs but ignition fails, inspect pressure switch tubing and vent lines for blockages or leaks. Listen for abnormal noises like grinding or rattling, which may indicate bearing failure or internal motor wear. Run a full startup cycle after inspection. Ensure the inducer activates first and the unit completes ignition without errors. If issues continue, the inducer assembly may require replacement. Check the link in the description to find the correct replacement part. For genuine HVAC replacement parts and repair essentials, visit PartsHnC.com. Subscribe to our channel and stay connected by following us on social media for more troubleshooting guides, maintenance tips, and product support.